You want to know why your Harley Davidson won't start? It's because the battery in your key fob is dead. Mechanically, there's probably nothing wrong with your bike whatsoever. It's probably a little fucking coin operated battery bullshit that is keeping your 500 to 800 pound machine from actually fucking starting. So yeah, if your Harley's not running, this is literally the first thing that you should be checking, is whether or not the battery that sat all fucking winter long is actually just dead. Change this first. What's wrong with it? Ain't got no gas in it. Then go to that. Go to that next. But first, this is a $5 fix. You just go down to the battery store or Walmart or Costco or fucking whatever store sells coin batteries, and you buy a couple. And you keep one in your tank bag, your pocket, your fucking whatever, your little baggie of bullshit that you keep with you at all times. And that way, if for some reason the key fob battery decides to shit the bed in the middle of the season, you can just switch it out. Don't be like me. Do better.